This breakfast was delicious. I would still like to continue. Listen to what you have to
Men
say,
who
Earl.
lost their even at the age of 25 believe they're going to be successful. If you ask any one of these men if he wanted to be a success, he'd tell you he did. And you'd notice that he was eager toward life, that there was a certain sparkle to his eye, an erectness to his carriage, and life seemed like a pretty interesting adventure to him. But by the time they're 65, one will be rich, four will be financially independent, five will still be working, 54 will be broke. Now think a moment. Out of the 100, only 5 make the grade. Now why do so many fail? What has happened to the sparkle that was...
Hmm, that's a good question. Why does so many people fail? I think it's awesome that you pointed out that there's a sparkle in their eyes, and there's excitement in the early ages of life up to like age 25, where dreams, working on your dreams, whatever that may be. Then what happens? Is it like life, or what is it?
There when they were 25. What's become of the dreams, the hopes, the plans? And why is there such a large disparity between what these men intended to do